Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to make this. So welcome back. So the first thing you're going to do right now is simple. You're going to apply your fusing to the back of the fabric. So here is the fabric. You're going to apply your fusing to the back. To get that particular part, you're just going to get a center point, which is you can just place your fusing between these four. Can you see that? Between these 4 and 5. Between the 4 and 5. And just gum that down. You need to get the center point in order to also get the center point for this one also. So you turn it to the back. Place your 4. Place your 5. And make sure it doesn't go beyond this 4 and 5. Can you see that? So I'm going to. So all we're going to do now is turn this over, because this is the backs of the main fabric and this is the particular, this is what we're going to use for the pocket. So now all we have to do first is to get a center point around here. So because we measure 5, we're going to use 2.5 as our center point. Can you see that? We measure 2.5 from here. So we're going to use that as our center point. Our center point here will be from this pocket here to this place. This is 6. So we are going to divide 6 divided by 2, which will give us 3 inch. So this is our main center point. So to get the main part of our pocket, all we have to do is simple. Here we can take 1/3 here. Also here, take the same thing. Can you see what I'm doing? Here also, apply the same process here. But this is our main center point. So right here, the main pocket will be 5 inch. So all we have to do is to subtract 1 inch from this 6 inch. So now we just minus half here. Can you see that? Then we come back again and minus half. That's because we are using these fabrics. But if we intend to use the main clothes that we've sewn, we're going to just have to need to get the center point and the wideness of the pocket. So I'm going to rule this now. Our center point. This is what I did. Can you see that clearly? So all we are going to do now is to seal this. So all we have to do now is to seal this. You're going to sew from here, but make sure you don't go beyond this line to this part. So let's do it. And we're going to come down to this part also. We're going to seal from that part also. Can you see that? Can you see that? So all we are going to do now is from this center point here, the center point, we're going to cut this. Make a notch around here. Can you see what I'm doing? From somewhere around here, make sure it's big a little bit. Then make a notch here to this point. You see that? Make sure you don't go beyond that point. You do the same thing here to that point. Make sure you don't go beyond that. Then you do the same process here also. From here, make a notch around here. Make a notch around here also. Do you see that? Now all we have to do is simple. Just turn this over here like this. Put this inside the fabrics. Pull this in. This one also. Pull it in. And we'll be having something like this. Can you see this? Make sure this edge are out very well. Make sure this part is out very well. Can you see? So I'm going to iron this now. Make sure all the edges are out very well. Like this one right here. Make sure it's out. Iron it very well. Make sure you iron it very well. So all you're going to do now is simple. Just pull this. Make sure you pull this a little bit up like this. Make sure you fold this in very well. Make sure that goes in very well. And this also. You see that? Make sure you iron it and it's straight enough. When you fold this back, you're going to have a seam pocket like this. So all we are going to do now is simple. Do you see? Do you see all we have so far after you fold that to the front? All we have to do is simple. Fold this to the back a little bit like this. Make sure this red one also is over it. Can you see that this little one here for this back is here? And you place it here. So you're going to do the same thing here also. Stand this well like this. Can you see that? Then you stitch this also. Can you see what I did? You see that? Stitched it also. Now all you're going to do now is just simple. You will sew around here. Sew this edge from inside here. Can you see that? Inside the pocket, this round, sew it round like this. Turn this to the other side. So can you see this? Just sew inside the pocket. So now to do the finishing, all you just have to do is just to fold this up. You see that? Fold this up like this. Then you start from here. Can you see that? This is your pocket from here, right here. You're going to start from here. Get the edge. Turn this up. Sew it. And you do the same thing here at the side also. You see that? So to do the finishing, you see that? So to do the finishing, all you have to do is just to overlock this part. Just overlock it so our seam pocket is ready to go. As simple as that. So that's it on how to cut and fix a seam pocket. You're going to apply the same process if you're fixing it on a shirt or a trouser.